Ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to try to be a bit quieter. I've got neighbors. I don't want to bother them. So this is Because the Night, originally from Cascada. Thank you for watching. All right, enjoy the magic, the power, the strength of Marco. Here goes. Me now, baby, here as I am. Hold me close and try and understand. Desire is hunger, is a fire I breathe. Love is a banquet on which we feed. Come on now and try and understand the way I feel when I'm in your hand. Take my hand, come under cover. They can't hurt you now, can't hurt you now. Can't hurt you now. Oh, because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. The night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night. Can't tell, baby, when I'm alone. Love is a ring, a telephone. Love is an angel disguised as lust. Here in our beds until the morning comes. Come on now and try and understand the way I feel when I'm undrunk, man. Take my hand and the sun descends. They can't hurt you now, can't hurt you now, can't hurt you now. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night. Thank you all for watching. All right, one more cover as Marco. Can you guess what it is? It's going to be a really good song, one that I get really, really into. Can you guess what it is? Maybe two more songs. One more cover, one more dance song. Maybe two more dance songs, but one more cover. So can you guess what it is? You got it. It's Sarah McLachlan, Steaming. All right, in the next video. Thank you.